This video will show you how to use attendance menu in your Canvas course. You can find attendance menu in the course navigation menu bar. If you click on the attendance, you can see a list of students here. If you click on more option next to each student, you can mark as present, absent, late, or unmarked. Once you take attendance, Canvas automatically add roll call attendance as an assignment to assignment menu. So if you click on assignment menu, you can see roll call attendance is included in this assignment menu. So the default value for roll call attendance is 100 point. If you are not using weighted assignment groups and just wanna edit the point assigned for roll call attendance, you can edit the point value in the assignment by clicking this assignment and edit assignment settings and change the point. However, this adjustment is only recommended if you are never going to change the point value again and you make the adjustment after your first roll call entry. If you want to learn more about weighted grade, please watch another tutorial video. Please note that to avoid attendance calculation error, please never delete, rename, or unpublish the attendance assignment. If you go to attendance, and you can see gear icon on the top right hand corner. If you don't want attendance assignment to the count toward the final grade, click on this gear icon and click on roll call settings, and then select do not count attendance toward final grade. By default, lateness percentages is 80%. The lateness percentage indicates the attendance score a student will receive if they are marked late. For example, a student with one presence 100% and one lateness 80% will have an average attendance score of 90%. If you have a student's excuse, you need to choose present instead of absent. Then the choose absent excuse badge that will appear under this box, because absent will negatively impact the student's grade. Absent excuse badge is for additional information for the instructor so that you can remember that this student was excused even if it is marked as present.